Hello students, today we are going to see subject English grammar. Lesson number 8, helping verb. Today we are going to do the drilling of the notes. Helping verb is used in place of a verb. Helping verb is used in place of a verb. Helping verb is used in place of a verb. Helping verbs are is, am, are, was and were. Helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were. Helping verbs are is, am, are, was and were. Is, am, are special helping verbs. They are used when action is happening right now. Is, am, are special helping verbs. They are used when action is happening right now. Is, am, are special helping verbs. They are used when action is happening right now. We use was and were when work is finished. We use was and were when work is finished. We use was and were when work is finished. We use has when we talk about one person, place, animal or thing. We use have when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. We use has when we talk about one person, place, animal or thing. We use have when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. We use has when we talk about one person, place, animal or thing. We use have when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. We'll now start with the exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with is, am and are. Number 1. I am at school. We have used helping verb am. Always with I, we are using helping verb am. I am at school. I am at school. Am here is helping verb. Number 2. He is studying. When we talk about singular, we use is helping verb is. He is studying. He is studying. He is studying. Number 3. They are our parents. We have used helping verb are because we are talking about plural. When we talk about plural, more than one, we will use are. They are our parents. They are our parents. Number 4. You are my teacher. Now, we have used helping verb are. You includes two persons. You includes two persons. One, the person who is speaking, and other, the person who is listening. That's why we have used helping verb are. You are my teacher. You are my teacher. Number 5. She is a good woman. We have used helping verb is because here we are talking about one, she. She is a good woman. She is a good woman. She is a good woman. Number 6. I am in standard first. With I, we will always use am. I am in standard first. I am in standard first. Number 7. They are playing cricket. We are talking about more. They shows more persons. We are talking about plural. So we will use are. They are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. Number 8. The cat is fast asleep. Here we are talking about animal. Single animal. That is singular. So we are using helping verb is. The cat is fast asleep. The cat is fast asleep. Number 9. It is a rainy day. It. It represents a thing or a non-living thing. So we are using is as a helping verb. It is a rainy day. It is a rainy day. It is a rainy day. Number 10. These mangoes are sweet. We are using helping verb are because we are talking about mangoes. That means mangoes are plurals. Plurals. So we are using are. These mangoes are sweet. These mangoes are sweet. These mangoes are sweet. Number 11. He is doing some work. He represents boy. That is, we are talking about a singular. Only one boy. So we are using helping verb is. He is doing some work. He is doing some work. He is doing some work. Number 12. They are eating food. They means plural. We are using are as a helping verb because it represents plural. They are eating food. They are eating food. Number 13. We are friends. We also means plural, so we are using helping verb are. We are friends. We are friends. We are friends. Number 14. Seema is playing. Here, Seema is a girl, that is only one, singular. So we are using helping verb is. Seema is playing. Seema is playing. Seema is playing. Number 15. Raj is writing a letter. Raj here is a boy. That is only one. That is singular. So we are using helping verb is. Raj is writing a letter. Raj is writing a letter. Raj is writing a letter. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with was and were. We use was and were for the action which has been already done. That means when we talk about past incidents, we use was and were. Number 1. The tea was hot. Yes, as the tea is a non-living thing. It is a thing, non-living thing. We will use was. The tea was hot. The tea was hot. Number 2. We were happy. As I have told, when we are talking about past incidents, we use was and were. But when we talk about plural, that is many, we will use were as an helping verb. So here we are talking about we. That means we all were happy. We were happy. We were happy. We were happy. Number 3. I was in a hurry. When we talk about I, we always use was with I. When we talk about past incidents, I was in a hurry. I was in a hurry. I was in a hurry. Number 4. My servant was lazy. My servant, here we are talking about singular. So we are using was as a helping verb because it is the action. We are talking about past things. My servant was lazy. My servant was lazy. Number 5. His books were stolen. Books. Here books refers to plural. So we will use were helping verb. His books were stolen. His books were stolen. His books were stolen. His books were stolen. Number 6. Birds were flying in the sky. Birds refers to plural, that is more than one we are talking. So we will use were. Birds were flying in the sky. Birds were flying in the sky. Birds were flying in the sky. Number 7. They were tired and hungry. They refers to many, that is plural. So we are using were as an helping verb. They were tired and hungry. They were tired and hungry. They were tired and hungry. Number 8. My friend was punished yesterday. Here in this sentence, yesterday means the day which has gone. So we will use was as a helping verb. My friend was punished yesterday. My friend was punished yesterday. Number 9. There were 20 students in the class. Here we can see 20. It shows more than one number and students also refer to plural. So we are using were. There were 20 students in the class. There were 20 students in the class. There were 20 students in the class. Number 10. His shirt was dirty. His shirt refers to one plural thing. Yes, plural. So we are using was as a helping verb. His shirt was dirty. His shirt was dirty. His shirt was dirty. Number 11. The monkeys were in the cage. Monkeys refers to more than one. So we are using helping verb were. The monkeys were in the cage. The monkeys were in the cage. The monkeys were in the cage. Number 12. The cows were in the field. Cow refers to more than one. So we are using helping verb were. The cows were in the field. The cows were in the field. The cows were in the field. Number 13. He was absent from the class. Here, he refers to one boy. Yes, we always use he for a boy. So we will use helping verb was. He was absent from the class. He was absent from the class. He was absent from the class. Number 14. Children were in the park. Children here refers to plural, more than one. So we will use helping verb were. Children were in the park. Children were in the park. Children were in the park. Number 15. Harry was thin. Harry refers to singular. So we will use helping verb was. Harry was thin. Harry was thin. Harry was thin. Harry was thin.